Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Force Quit to close all your open apps with just a few shortcuts. If you're coming from Windows, you're probably looking for the Mac version of Control-Alt-Delete, and this is exactly it. First, press Command-Option-Escape. This brings up the Force Quit Applications window. To close everything at once, just hit Command-A to select all your apps. Now, notice how the Force Quit button is highlighted in blue? On macOS, pressing Return triggers whatever button is focused. So just hit Return, and then hit Return one more time to confirm. Just like that, every app is closed except for Finder, which stays open to manage your files. If you only need to close one specific app, you can also right-click its icon in the dock. Normally it says Quit, but if you hold down the Option key, it changes to Force Quit. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.